This weather report brought to you by Brough and Hurley Agriculture.
G'day folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Very settled weather at the moment with a stable upper atmosphere suppressing clouds and exposing us to the full intensity of the infamous Queensland sun. We're pretty safe from rain until at least Friday, but you can count on the heat and humidity continuing. The temperature in Rockhampton today was 22 to 32 degrees, which is bang on average for December, surprising as it may seem. In Gladstone the top was 30 and Emerald had 34. On the satellite loop, well, it's suddenly gone very quiet across Queensland, so there's no sense talking about the clouds there because there aren't any. Few over New South Wales, and of course Tropical Cyclone Ruby is no longer an event. It's moved into Fijian waters, out of the jurisdiction of the Australian Weather Bureau. It was meant to have been Cat 3 by now, but it's only Cat 2 and probably will continue to weaken as it moves further and further away. Today's chart, you can see the cyclone moving very, very quickly south into colder waters. Remember, they need that 26-degree ocean to sustain them. That's quickly diminishing, so its fuel, I suppose you can say, is getting cut off. Closer to home, of course, we've still got a bit of a southerly breeze, but it's getting lighter. Isobars are spreading apart, so we're not feeling it as much, and the temperatures do seem to be warm at least. Tomorrow's chart, inland trough moves in from the west. Western Queensland are going to get extremely hot weather, but in the east it's really not going to be so bad, just a lot of humidity in the tropics. On the outlook chart, you can see this next surge of high pressure coming up the coast, which by Saturday will make it slightly cooler in the southeast. The latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Capricornia waters. Southeast to northeast winds up to 20 knots tomorrow. There's a 2-metre swell outside the reef. Thursday's winds southeast to northeast 10 to 15. A little bit fresher again on Friday, up to 20 knots. First up tomorrow morning, we have a high tide. It's only modest in size with the next full moon not due until Sunday, but the run out to low tide will be substantial. Capricornia District forecast a fine and mostly sunny day. Gladstone 31 degrees, Rockhampton 23 up to 33, Billoway 34 and Yeppoon 29. Thank goodness for that sea breeze at Yeppoon. Central Highlands and Coalfields a minor flood warning for the Dawson. Mostly sunny though, with Emerald reaching 34 degrees. Same for Claremont and Moranbah. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, a slightly cooler breeze arriving on Friday, Saturday may carry in some showers, but apart from that it should stay basically hot and sunny until next week. Tonight's photo was taken from Bald Knob near Mullaney. It's a busy photo. It's rare to see a thundercloud and rainbow in the same view field, which makes it really special, I think. And of course, it's not a sunrise or sunset, which makes it even more special. Thanks, Mandy Wright, for sending that one in. Have a nice evening, folks, and now it's back to the team.
Thanks, Livio. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company. Just
a reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, you can catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.
Good night.